Hey everyone, welcome back to another YouTube video, and in this video I'll be showing you guys how to fix ChatGPT app crash on startup. If the ChatGPT app closes instantly, the fix is usually one of these quick resets. So first of all, force close the app and relaunch. Swipe off from the bottom of your screen and then find ChatGPT, then swipe it away. Next, this will clear temporary glitches. After that, clear cache if you're on Android, and if you're on iPhone, go ahead and go to your settings app, go to general, open iPhone storage, scroll down, find ChatGPT and then offload the app. This will free up storage used by the app, but it keeps documents and data. Reinstalling the app will place back your data if the app is still available for download. Next, you're going to head over to your app store, search for ChatGPT, and then make sure to update your app to the latest version. Next, restart your iPhone or phone. If still crashing, delete and reinstall your ChatGPT app. Long press the ChatGPT icon, click remove app and then delete app. After deletion, open your app store, search ChatGPT again and then re-download it. After that, your app will run smoothly. Tip: low storage causes crashes. Free up at least 1 GB, and that's it. Subscribe for more quick fixes.